Welcome to the ONO community. To get started, first download the ONO app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Then open the ONO app and follow the steps shown in the app. And ensure Bluetooth is turned on. It's important to follow all the recommended settings on your phone as described in the app. Your co-driver number 1 automatically connects to your phone as soon as it detects movement. Super convenient. For this to work, make sure that your location services are set to always. This is the only way to ensure the automatic connection between your co-driver number 1 and your phone. Please make sure that your phone is not in power saving mode. Otherwise, the connection between your phone and your co-driver number 1 might not work or could be interrupted. Notifications should also be enabled to never miss an alert. While you're on the go, the ONO app uses GPS signals to use your location. This way, you receive relevant alerts along your route. As you approach a road hazard or a speed camera, the co-driver number 1 will alert you with a sound and light signal. Orange for road hazards, blue for speed cameras. The co-driver number 1 gets its information from 2 different sources: data from our external partners and live observations from our users, the ONO community. When you receive a warning about a speed camera, confirm that the warning is still valid by clicking the co-driver number 1 once. If you are the first to spot a speed camera, warn other community members also with a single click. For road hazards, it takes 2 clicks to report as well as to confirm. By reporting and confirming incidents, you help make the roads safer for everyone with just a press of a button. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey.